Praise be to God. Daily One Missionary Biography. Today's missionary, Carl Friedrich August Gutzlaff. Date of birth 8/7/1803. Date of death 9/8/1851. City, Pomerania. Country, Germany. Vision area, Thailand and China. Charles Darwin, who introduced the theory of evolution, once went to an island in the South Sea. When he saw the native people who were barbarians and uncivilized, he recorded in his diary that none in this world could reform these people. But after some years, when he visited again, he was astonished to see the people civilized, polite and meek with good spiritual ethics. What made this change? Such change could happen only through the people who have surrendered to the love of Jesus Christ and obeyed His call. It was a period when communism has spread throughout the China mainland. Carl Friedrich August Gutzlaff went to Thailand in the year 1828 when he was 25 years and served among the Chinese expatriates. He translated the New Testament into the native language Siamese with the help of his wife Newell, whom he lost in childbirth in the second year of his marriage. His burden and vision were for the people of China. He was one of the first Protestant missionaries to dress like Chinese. He even adopted their customs. As China alienated foreign missionaries, he believed that the only way to penetrate China was through Chinese converts and not through foreign missionaries. Therefore, he devoted himself to recruit and train Chinese evangelists who can preach the gospel throughout China. He founded a Chinese missionary society known as the Chinese Union in 1844 to train and send Chinese Christian workers to China mainland. He also had his share in the Bible translation into Chinese. He also founded the Chinese Evangelization Society, which later sent Hudson Taylor to China. Hudson Taylor, the founder of China Inland Mission, called Gutzlaff the grandfather of the China Inland Mission. Carl Gutzlaff, who died at the age of 48, became a forerunner for the great revival that took place in China. Beloved, are you prepared to go out in search of people who do not know Jesus Christ and bring them to Him? Lord, lead me to do the ministry which you have given to me truthfully and faithfully. Amen. God bless you.